Hello dear all, welcome to your English program on YouTube, lesson number 7. You are with your teacher, Mr. Ngom, and in today's lesson we are going to see the use of since, for, and ago. Full lesson with examples. Since is used for duration, therefore starting point. Example, since 2020, since last week, since 8 o'clock, since May the 8th. For duration, for 3 years, for 10 minutes, for an hour, for 2 months, ago, 3 years ago, a week ago, 10 minutes ago, an hour ago. So as you can see here, since for the beginning of an action, for the duration, and ago the time that have elapsed since the beginning of an action. In details, here is a situation. Action is to teach. I started teaching in 2020 and now we are in 2023. So, since, for, ago. The starting point. Since is for the starting point, the beginning point of the action. Example, the action started in 2020 and we are in 2023. So, here is the starting point of the action. The action started in 2020 or 2020. Example, I have been teaching since 2020. I have been teaching since 2020. So here, since is the starting point, the beginning of the actions. Depuis 2020. For is the duration, la durée de l'action, the duration. For, look at here, de 2020 à 2023, la durée de l'action est de 3 ans. So, I have been teaching for 3 years. I have been teaching for 3 years, pendant 3 ans. Depuis 2020, pendant 3 ans. I have been teaching since 2020. I have been teaching for 3 years. Depuis, pendant. Début, durée. Ago, when you go back in the past, faites un retour dans le passé, the time elapsed between the starting point and now. Le temps qui s'est écoulé entre le commencement de l'action et aujourd'hui, on va dans le passé. Il y a de cela 3 ans. So, here, as you can see, it is a time, okay, that elapsed between the starting point and now. Example, I started teaching 3 years ago. Il y a de cela 3 ans, j'ai commencé à enseigner. 3 years ago, 3 years back. It's okay? So since is for the starting point, for is for the duration, ago when you go back in the past. I have been teaching since 2020 or 2020 is the present perfect, as you can see. So since is often used with the present perfect. For is also used for the present perfect for this lesson in troisième, but you will see in première terminal, you will see that we can have for even for the prétérit. But for the time being, for is for present perfect. Since is for present perfect. It can be present perfect simple or present perfect continuous. Donc je répète, since, for, present perfect simple ou bien present perfect continuous. Nous avons vu ça dans la leçon numéro 6. Et je répète aussi que for peut aussi être utilisé pour d'autres temps. Mais pour cette leçon-ci, retenez que for and since present perfect. Ago is used for the prétérit. I started teaching 3 years ago started the preterite. So since present perfect, for present perfect, ago preterite. It's okay? The beginning, the starting point. Macky has been president since 2012. Since c'est le commencement de sa présidence de Macky Sall, c'était en 2012, le départ. Since. Macky has been president since 2012. Duration, for. Macky has been president for 11 years. C'est la durée, for. Ça, c'est le commencement, since le début, for la durée, 11 years. How much time has passed since something happened? Quel est le temps qui s'est écoulé depuis que Macky est devenu président? 11 ans. En arrière, became preterite. So, present perfect, preterite, 11 years ago. 11 years ago, Macky became president. Compare. Since, for. Starting point, duration. I am in the fourth form. I have been learning English since 2019. Je suis en troisième. J'apprends l'anglais depuis 2019. For, j'apprends l'anglais. J'ai appris l'anglais pendant 4 ans. Je suis en troisième, nous sommes en 2023. Donc l'anglais, je l'ai appris pendant 4 ans. Je l'apprends depuis 2019. So, since 2019, for 4 years. Another example, starting point, duration. The meeting started at 8 o'clock. It is midday. La réunion a commencé à 8 heures. Il est midi. Donc la réunion, ici, they have been talking 8 hours. They have talked 4 hours. Donc, comme la réunion a commencé à 8 heures, donc cela fait combien de temps? Depuis 8 heures, ils sont en train de parler. Ils ont parlé pendant 4 heures de temps. Depuis 8 heures, ils parlent. Ils ont parlé pendant 4 heures de temps. Depuis, pendant. Qu'est-ce qu'on va mettre ici dans les pointillés? The match started at 4 o'clock. Now it is 4:30. Le match a commencé à 4 heures 0 minutes. Il est 4h30. Ils ont joué pendant 30 minutes. Ils jouent depuis 4 heures. Qu'est-ce qu'on va mettre ici? Since ou bien for. Ici, since ou bien for. Allez-y. So, take a piece of paper. You have 2 minutes and you come back. Okay, let's correct. They have been talking since 8 o'clock. They have talked for 4 hours. The match started at 4 o'clock. Now it is 4:30. They have played for 30 minutes. They have played since 4 o'clock. La réunion ici en haut a commencé grand A à 8 heures. Il est midi. Donc depuis 8 heures, ils parlent. Ils ont parlé pendant 4 heures de temps. Le match a commencé à 4 heures. Il est 4h30. Ils ont joué pendant 30 minutes. Ils jouent depuis 4 heures. You see, since and for. Now, ago. How much time has passed since something happened? The preterite, ago. The match started 10 minutes ago. Mary got married 2 years ago. Mary got married 2 years ago. Preterite. The Prime Minister resigned a week ago. Le Premier ministre a démissionné il y a de cela une semaine. Resigned, married, started. Ago, preterite. Exercise. Multiple choice question. Number 1. My dad has worked in this company 20 years. Is it since, for, or ago? For. My dad has worked in this company for 20 years. So for B. Number 2. My dad has been working in this company 2010. Since, for, ago. Has been working, present perfect. So since the beginning, the starting point. Number 3, my dad started working in this company 20 years since 4 ago. It is C. Number 4, I have been living in this apartment for 2010, next year, 6 months. 4 is the duration. 2010, next year, 6 months are the durations, all of them. 6 months is the duration, pendant 6 mois. Number 5, they sent me an invitation card. Ils m'ont envoyé une carte d'invitation ago, last week, a week, yesterday. Do you say last week ago, a week ago, or yesterday ago? The best one is a week ago. Number 6, Mr. and Mrs. Fall have been married since 4 ago. Come on. 4, the duration, 20 years now, 27 years now. Number 7, David has been sleeping the beginning of the lecture. Donc, David dort depuis le commencement de la conférence. Un lecture, c'est une conférence. Donc, c'est un faux ami. C'est pas lecture. Lecture, c'est reading en anglais. A lecture, une conférence. Since 4 ago, David has been sleeping since le commencement, the beginning of the lecture. Number 8, the boss me an email 10 minutes ago. Ago, send, sent, has sent. Ago va avec quel temps? Sent, prétérit, be. Number 9, Tupac 20 years ago. Yet investigators for murderer since then. Is it Tupac died? Investigators have been looking. Or Tupac has died? Investigators have been looking. Or Tupac is dying? Investigators looked. So, Tupac died ago, prétérit. Ago, prétérit. Have been looking for murderers since, present perfect. Number 10, 2 years we visited Gorée Island. Since, 4 ago. Here you have the prétérit. Be careful. 2 years ago we visited Gorée Island. 10 out of 10. Congratulations. Good job. So in my YouTube channel, I have already dealt with these videos. Bfem lesson number 4. Go and check it. Simple present and present continuous. Bfem number 5. Simple past and present perfect comparison. And you have also Révision Générale Bac 2021. Okay. And Révision Générale Bfem 2022 and other videos in my YouTube channel. Donc abonnez-vous à la chaîne s'il vous plaît, vous aurez toutes vos leçons Inch'Allah concernant le Bfem et le bac avec Mr. Ngom et des cours en informatique. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.